Did you know that you could potentially increase your productivity up to 50%, saving up to 30% in filler material usage, and reduce component weight up to 40% while increasing the quality of your products? Let us tell you how. The traditional way to measure the quality of welds is by manual assessment using different kinds of analog measurement tools. This method is subjective and limited. It is dependent upon the person who performs it, and the information provided doesn't give an accurate picture of the final product quality, since only a few selected positions are measured. It is also a tedious and time-consuming task which occupies valuable production staff. But what if you could remove the user dependency from the process and get reliable data every time you measure, and the same result no matter who is performing the measurement? Winteria does just that. With the help of Winteria's quality assurance system, you can get accurate and reliable data every time, no matter who is performing the measurement. Using a laser scanner, the weld is scanned, and the data is sent directly to the software, which displays it in real time for the operator. The collected data can then be reviewed against a standard to see if the weld holds the required quality. From here, we can then improve the welding process in production, as we know exactly what the result is. Through research and development, together with the industry, we have developed a product that ensures quality and durability using accurate and reliable measurements. The Winteria system enables a more sustainable manufacturing with less scrapping, improved product life, and consequently, a lower environmental impact. We want to make a difference and work for a sustainable and better future.